Digital pH meters are essential tools for gardeners, aquarists, homebrewers, fermenters, and food enthusiasts who demand quick, repeatable pH ratings. The right meter helps optimize hydroponic nutrient uptake, fermentation stability, food safety, and water quality across household, culinary, and hobbyist applications.
List number 1. pH meter for water hydroponics digital pH tester pen 0.01 high accuracy pocket size with 0.14 pH measurement. This Rulon pocket-style pH tester emphasizes affordability and basic calibration with included powders. It offers automatic temperature compensation (ATC) and a 0.14 pH range, suitable for testing drinking water, pools, aquariums, RO systems, and hydroponics. The calibration process is explicit. Press Cal for 5 seconds to enter calibration, then select 6.86, 4, and 9.18. The device is described as easy to use. Dip the probe, stir, and read once stable. Performance-wise, the key trade-off is build quality and long-term stability given the low price. The automatic temperature compensation helps in fluctuating room temps, but the unit's accuracy claim is not accompanied by explicit plus or minus 0.01 or plus or minus 0.1 pH spec in the listing. The included calibration powder is convenient for quick validation, yet users should verify reliability against a known buffer solution over time. In practice, this meter works well for quick checks in hydroponics or basic home water testing, where ultra-tight accuracy is not critical. However, the probe may require careful cleaning to prevent drift, and the overall chassis may feel less robust than higher-end models.
List number 2. Apera Instruments AI209 Value Series pH20 Waterproof pH Tester Kit. The Apera AI209 Value Series pH20 is a robust, waterproof tester designed for serious hobbyists and light professional use. It features auto-calibration with buffer recognition, automatic temperature compensation (ATC) across 32 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, a backlit digital display, and a rugged carrying case with pH 4 and 7 buffers, plus a lanyard. It also touts a low-impedance pH sensor for faster response and stable readings, plus auto-recognition of stable values to reduce guesswork. Powered by AAA batteries, it promises long operation up to 2,000 hours. In terms of performance, the AI20 series emphasizes reliability and consistency. Auto-calibration and buffer recognition simplify setup, while ATC improves accuracy across temperature variations common in kitchens, basements, and labs. The device ships with buffers and a sturdy case, which is valuable for users who transport the meter between home and workspace. However, the premium price reflects not only accuracy, but also the sensor quality and overall ergonomics. Some users may find the included buffers sufficient for year-long calibration, while others may crave even tighter accuracy or 24/7 data logging for professional workflows.
List number 3. Digital pH meter, high accuracy digital water quality tester with 0 to 14 pH measurement range for household drinking. Divolite's digital pH meter targets versatility with a 0 to 14 pH range and automatic temperature compensation. Its mini size makes it highly portable for on-the-go measurements, including poolside, beach trips, or field testing. It emphasizes a ready-to-use approach. The package notes the meter ships calibrated with a fresh battery. The calibration procedure requires pressing CAL for 3 seconds to enter calibration and cycling through powders 6.86, 4.00, and 9.18. Its compact design underscores convenience for hobbyists who want quick checks without fuss. Performance-wise, the key appeal is portability combined with ATC, which helps maintain accuracy across variable temperatures. The device's small form factor may come at the cost of probe durability and stability in demanding samples, example, highly viscous liquids or solids, but it suits casual use, travel, and pocket testing. The open junction design noted in some GIDIG style devices is not explicitly claimed here, but users should handle probes gently to avoid clogging and ensure stable readings. The user experience tends to be straightforward, with rapid stabilization once dipped into liquid and stirred.
List number 4. pH meter food digital electronic pH tester for fermentation. GDIGI positions this meter as a food-centric pH tester with a spear probe designed for direct measurement in semi-solid foods such as cheese, yogurt, hot sauce, and sourdough. The package includes 3 50 milliliters buffer solutions, pH 4.00, 7.00, and 10.00, emphasizing precise calibration to plus or minus 0.01 pH. Its delta includes ATC, backlit display, and the ability to switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. The spear tip and open junction design are meant to minimize clogging and enable direct measurement in viscous samples, a notable advantage for culinary applications. In practice, GDIGI's food-focused design delivers higher accuracy in fermentation and culinary contexts where the sample may contain solids, fats, or proteins. The included buffer kit and spear probe reduce the risk of inaccurate readings due to solid content. However, the emphasis on food use may limit versatility in aqueous-only tests, and the price sits well above budget meters while still below many pro-grade setups. Maintenance involves careful cleaning of the spear tip and occasional recalibration with the included buffers.
List number 5. Yinmic Digital pH Meter for Food. Yinmic's offering targets food fermentation with a spear probe and ATC, marketed for sourdough, sausages, cheese, and even cosmetic pH testing. It touts a wide 0.00 to 14.00 pH range with plus or minus 0.1 accuracy, and emphasizes a moisture-preserving sponge in the protective cap to keep the probe hydrated, which can improve repeatability. The 3-point auto-calibration and included buffer powders address common calibration needs for home cooks and fermentation enthusiasts. Performance-wise, Yinmic's design focuses on stable readings across varying temperatures and sample types. The spear probe supports direct insertion into semi-solids, while ATC helps when testing in hot kitchens or cool cellars. The 2x quantity chip approach aims to deliver more stable readings, yet the meter may still exhibit drift if the probe is contaminated or if calibration buffers are not fresh. Practical use includes sourdough management, cured meats, and cosmetic testing, making this a versatile choice for multi-use households.